MPC, MPC,
Secret multi-party computation.
a private information is a secret.
The project is about enabling computation on data.
Integers.
We speculate on how to re-engineer the world.
Integers are whole numbers.
Data security is a social and political project, and not just a mathematical or technical one.
Real numbers.
It is important to find methods to represent real numbers.
Natural numbers.
I believe in logics.
A tree could be a person.
I believe in logics.
Rational numbers.
We live in a world populated by algorithms and data about our rhythms, movements, data, and lives.
We assume a fully connected network.
These networks are dynamic in nature.
Natural numbers.
In order for our use to be helpful to society, we have to accept the actual.
Mathematics are concerned with what you can say with great certainty.
The claim that AI is somewhat connected to what the brain does is a fantasy.
I don't think AI exists.
AI reproduces racism. It reproduces gender bias.
I don't think the AI exists.
Computers can't deal with real numbers anyway.
Computation is developed for idealized situations.
Anthropologists talk about the theoretical ideal,
We need a new ideal to prove our protocols.
a temporality that is not yet.
What does it mean to integrate algorithms into the world as a social place?
We are trying to be optimistic.
Data is the new oil.
A new ideal.
On the edge of being naive. We develop a new algorithm for efficient and secure operation of infrastructures.
We speculate on how to re-engineer the world.
Algorithm crash numbers and deliver signals.
Algorithms are machines.
Networks.
Quantum theory.
Energy.
Fantasy.
Fantasy.
The problem.
Trust.
Fantasy.
The graph topology is the problem.
Comparison is not a natural operation in modular arithmetics.
Modular arithmetic.
Applications.
Rational numbers.
The grounds are continuously shifting and out of sync.
We don't really need real numbers. It is enough that we have rational numbers.
The same sword that kills a chicken for your dinner will also kill a neighbor for your dinner.
A trusted third party is not always as trustworthy as we would like.
The tools do not match the kind of problems we're trying to solve.
We do not know where the hammer will hit the nail.
Companies make their living off our data.
Human societies are also technological societies.
Algorithms will make the world a better place.
What kind of hammer is produced by anthropology?
A new best possible world.
What we have is an iterative process, not the linear process that we write about in research proposals.
The real is the mathematical real.
What being are social algorithms?
Mathematics.
The real is the mathematical real.
Real numbers.
The term entanglement is used to tell how humans are not separate from their environments.
fully connected network.
You don't need to give your data to get what you want.
Can we trust the network?
Our perception of trust is based on previous experiences.
We didn't talk about trust in front of the camera.
A trusted third party is not always as trustworthy as we would like. Under which conditions is this secure?
Every human could have lived 1,000 lives.
Reality is different.
Time and communication translates into energy.
Can you imagine how dangerous it is to fly?